In today's video, I want to make my Facebook cover. So I want to make this video for us to be able to learn how I make my Facebook cover from my best application on my Mac. I'm not going to use Canva because why I don't like Canva is because it is a template that everybody can use. You can design your thing, but I love to make my things from scratch. So I want to use my favorite application, which is Keynote. So that is Keynote that I'm going to use today, and then we are going to follow it. I'm going to show you, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to direct you also, if you have a Mac, on how to get used to your Keynote. And if you want me to start making tutorial on how to use Keynote as well for design, because that is what I used to do most of my design on this on my page and on my Grow With Ganny and on my Learn Code with Ganny. That is what I normally use to design my thumbnails and everything. So then I'm going to design my Facebook cover. So let's design it together. So let's go into my Keynote. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. Here is my Keynote. As you can see, once I click my Keynote on my computer, this is what is going to bring out for me, and we are going to choose this basic white here. Let's work with white because my background in YouTube is white, so I want to make it white as well, part of it. So I will click on it, and then I will come to this create here to open it. So once you can see it has opened, and I can drag it up. Don't worry yourself about on this thing. I'm going to show us what you're going to do. The first thing is you're going to do is you're going to delete all this, delete everything. Okay, I will delete everything, and then I want to set what I want. The size of Facebook is what I want. So I'll go into my Avast, which is my Google, to go and look for my Google Chrome and go and look for Facebook cover size. Okay, Facebook cover size. That's what I want to look for, so that I can know the size that I need. So you can see here they said, here are some notes on Facebook cover. Recommended image is very important that you know this number. Okay, that's what I'm showing us. So what we are going to do, we go back to our Keynote. So we go back to our Keynote here where I am. Then I come to document here. I'm going to change the size. You can see it here, slide size. So I want to customize it to my own, what I want for Facebook. They said this 815 by 315. So this is the size of Facebook that you want. That's the first step. The next step is when you will now start designing it. So how do you design this? I'll bring in a sample of my YouTube banner because I want it to be the same. So this is the sample. This is my banner in YouTube. So I want to design the same thing. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to bring in my profile picture. So let me go and bring in my profile picture. So here is my profile picture, as you can see here. So this profile picture, you can see this is my profile picture. I want to put it here. As you can see, I am facing like this. I want it to face the same way that this is facing. I come to arrange here. I want to flip it. You can see it flipped. So I'm going to adjust the size so that it can fit in. So it's going to be here. So I want to make sure that the size is large enough to enter here. So you can see this is me here. And the next thing I want to put, I've already downloaded some things that I want to use. Must make sure that you have all the things that you want to put there. So the first thing is, let me write the text out first. So how do I write the text? I come to this plus here. I write it, grow with Ganny. That's my text. I'll click outside so that I can be able to reselect it. When I select it, I'll come to this place to click on set text. So I will look for here, look for the one what I want. I use this font for it here. You can see. Then I can now come to this side and be increasing the font the way I want it. I want it very bold. So I'm going to increase the size so that at least it will fit in there. So that is that. Then the next thing is I'm going to bring in my YouTube logo. So I'll go to inside my computer again and go and look for my YouTube logo. So I bring in my YouTube logo. I will remove the background. This thing is very easy. Why I love it is you can see the white background that came with this picture. You can see it. You can see this white place. You can see this white place. So this white place, I want to remove it. So what I am going to do is you are going to click on this remove background. That is why I love this. The reason why I love this more than Canva. This is one of the reasons why I love this more than Canva, because it's easy to remove background. If Canva is paid, you cannot remove background. You need to go to external place to go and remove background in Canva. But with this one, I remove background in one click. I click this place, then I come and look for the white edge. Then I tap on it. The background has been removed. You will see that there is no more background there. So I can reshape it without showing that background. So I will reshape it because I want to create exactly like this. This is the YouTube logo. I want to resize it so that it can fit in with the size. No, it's wide. So you can see. So I want to write all these YouTube content, tips and tricks, online success tutorials, and live streaming. So I'll come here and click here, the text. Then I'm going to type all this one. I want to make sure I have exactly the same that I have on my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can see I've written the two. Then I'm going to make the text to not be the same. You can see I want to make sure it is the same color with this one. So I'm going to YouTube. I'm looking for the same text. Okay, yeah, this is it. So I can increase it so that at least it will be a lot bigger. I'm still going to increase this one. Okay, so then the same thing that I use here, I'm going to copy this one, duplicate this one again, and paste this new one and delete this one here. So you can see that I can be able to place it. Okay, so that they will be the same size. I will not be needing to be adjusting the size again. So you can see here now, I've done that one here. In this place here now, you see everything is looking almost the same. But I want to add, because the Facebook banner is very big, it's too wide, it's wider than a YouTube banner. However, I still want to add this Instagram logo. Let me go and bring all this Instagram logo, YouTube logo, Facebook logo. So I want to bring in my Instagram logo. So I want to Google to copy it. Then I can remove the white background that is there, which is easy. Just tap on it, come to this place and click on done. The white background is not there again. So Instagram is ready. Then I'm going again. I'm going to bring in my Facebook logo again. Just copy and paste it. That's what I'm doing. So I will remove the background again. That's what thing I love about this Keynote. It is easy to remove white background, most especially white background. So it's easy. So I will bring in this one. This one, you can see that is under this place. I want it to be above it. So what do? There is something I put here. You can rearrange this place. It's me that arrange what I really need. Okay, so I can teach us. If you want to know about Keynote, let me know in the comment section. I can teach us how to use Keynote as well. So I arrange it. I want to bring this one up here. So I bring it up here so that it can be above my head here. Okay, so what's next? I want to arrange this. Because I want it to look like this. So I'm going to write Ganny Fadi now. And then the Facebook is only Ganny Fadi. So I'm going to remove the digital in this one. So I'm still going to edit that YouTube later when I have the time. But for this purpose of this training, I'm going to put the normal words here. So it's Ganny Fadi. That is my YouTube. That is my Instagram handle. Ganny Fadi is my Instagram handle. So I can increase the size. Okay, can increase the size. You can play around it the way you want. It's your own. So that's why you can play around it the way you want it. Okay. So Ganny Fadi, then I will duplicate it. Command D. Okay, in my Command D, then here also. So that is it. I want to put it because I'm still going to adjust it on the YouTube also. So when I was refresh, thinking of what I want to use today. That was when that idea came to my head. So this is what I want. I want it to look like, at least when you are on YouTube, you will know that the same person has the same thing. So this is it. This is what I want. I love it. I like it. With me smiling. This picture is very brilliant, so I love it. And then after I've done all this, what am I going to do? We are going to export it. So I click on File and then Export as an image. That's what I'm going to use. So export as an image. So I have it from 1, so I will choose from 1. I don't want edit 2 to be exported. Then I will save it. As I click on Save, you ask me what name I want to give it. So it's going to be Facebook cover. So I will export it. So once I export it, it will save directly to my computer. Then let's go to my Facebook and change the picture together. So this is where I bookmark my Facebook. So I will click on it to open my Facebook. So here is my page, as you can see. So this is what I want to change. I want to remove this and change it to the new one. So I click on Edit Cover. Then I'll say Choose Cover, because I want to go and choose this for my computer. Okay, I will choose on Upload Video Photo. I'll choose on Upload Photo. Then I'll come to my download where I save it. No, my desktop. I will look for the Facebook. I think it's here. Download. Yeah, you can see it's Facebook cover. Then I will choose it. So this is, then I'll open it. So wait for it to load. Voila! So it's too, you can see I can adjust it, but you can see this is not too good. So I need to go back again to where I'm working and bring it down. I have enough space. I can still bring it down. So I'll go back again. Then I'll bring everything down. This one, instead of bringing it down, I'll have to reduce it. Then I'll bring all this one down to here. I don't want it to be more than here. Then I'll bring it down. I bring it down. You see, this CapCut, it will even be telling you if you are aligned with what you are doing. I'll bring it down. I bring it down. I bring it down. Then I bring it, the Grow With Ganny, I bring it down as well. Okay, so let's try this one. So go to File, we save it, Images. We are saving, you are bringing this one, it's number 1. Then you save again. You save to the existing instead of saving it to another one. Me, I'm going to save it to the existing one, so I don't need to be Facebook. So we'll go back to my Facebook again, edit, upload video. So we'll go back again to Facebook cover, which is this. Then I open it to see whether it will fit. I still don't like the way that grow is too up. So I'm still going to, okay, I can still drag the position. Let's see, let's drag it. It's okay like this. The space, this off space, I want this space up. So this is what I want. So I'll click on Change Savings. Save change. And voila! So this is my new Facebook cover. So thank you so much for people that are watching me. So thank you. And then if you want to learn how to use Keynote, put it in the comment section. I can as well do tutorial on how to do Keynote as well for us, step by step. Okay, I always want to do it beginner friendly for people that are new. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do with the laptop. Actually, I can learn the one with phone also. I'm not really, the phone is too small to do a lot of things. So, but with laptop, I can teach the Keynote as well. So if you want to know, let me know in the comment section. So, and we have come to the end. I was able to do it from scratch to finish. That is what we do. We do it from scratch to finish. So if you want to see it, I'm going to post this soon. So thank you for watching. If you are not following the CapCut series tutorial that I am doing, go and check it out. Okay, so it's something that you need to check out. And day 5 is coming out very soon now. Today, as I'm recording this on the 5th of December, so the day 5 will be out soon. My name remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. Thank you for watching. And then watch the next video that you are going to see on the screen, which is going to be the series of the CapCut tutorial that I am teaching. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.